Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in the latest news, of course, some of you might have noticed that around 8 p.m. Eastern Time yesterday, YouTube went down for about an hour and a half, and that created a lot of issues. You could have a YouTube page was rather blank, or if you tried on your smartphone, you would have a oops, something went wrong. Whatever you were using. I tried on my smart TV with the app, and what happened is that it would give me a simply a blank page, and then suddenly it would say, "Oh, do you want to log in as a guest?" It was very bizarre on a smart TV what happened. Anyways, whatever platform device you were using, the page just didn't show. You would actually on PCs, when you would try, you'd see that something was kind of trying to show up, but it just stayed in a black screen or whatever. I'm in dark mode. It was just a blank screen. So YouTube did talk about it a little later. They said that when you load YouTube, what happens is that you have a recommended page, and that recommended page had a bug in it. So what happened is the page wouldn't show up. So they actually sent a fix, and that fix, of course, made things better, but it's still not 100%. Apparently, they still need to tweak some of it in order for everything to be 100%. But it definitely was a problem with the recommendations that YouTube actually puts on your screen. A bug prevented from that page to show up. But if you had links to videos, and that's what I tried, because I had several places I had links to YouTube videos, the videos would play. It's really just the recommendations page, which is what we see when we ask YouTube to show up. So things are probably mostly back to normal for everyone now, but lasted about an hour-ish, an hour and a half yesterday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.